Now, quantum technology holds immense potential, but it will take a comprehensive development ecosystem to bring these advancements into real-world application. It makes you wonder, what might this technology bring us in the next few years, Dylan?
Well, I guess we have to wait and see. Here, Newsline will keep a close watch on how it develops as well. But turning to a technology that's already on a market and yielding practical applications, Vietnam and Japan are looking at how UAVs can address challenges that both countries are facing, from disaster response to agriculture. The next step is to bring forward solutions that can be tested and put into practical use, including production capacity. Our reporter Baek Vân has the story.
Developed by Citigroup Vietnam, these UAVs are being tested for firefighting. In April, the company signed a strategic agreement with Japan's Fox 6 and VNX to explore cooperation across several applications. A similar partnership is taking shape in agriculture, with the Vietnamese agri-tech firm Demeter and the Japan Drone Organization piloting a service model aimed at making UAV technology more accessible to Vietnamese farmers.
Solving the social issues in Japan and Vietnam is quite similar. For example, national disaster like a typhoon or flooding, and also agriculture. There is a lot of rooms for utilizing the UAV. We can utilize the technology of Japan and also human resources of Vietnam, so we can have very, very good collaboration.
We can also build capacities of people, build their skills through the expertise and the knowledge that we have here, and we can bring into the mix international experience, such as the experience from Japan. So if you take, for example, a drone, you can test it in a space like this to make sure that it's ready to go out and contribute towards disaster risk reduction or contribute towards more efficient agriculture.
Vietnam and Japan face many of the same challenges, from typhoons to flooding to pressure on agricultural productivity. Bringing Japanese experience into local testing and skills development is giving UAV cooperation between the two countries a more practical focus.
Japan is supporting NIC in establishing the Vietnam-Japan Innovation Center, including a UAV lab. The lab will focus on R&D for applications such as agriculture, border patrol, and cargo transport, training with Japanese experts, universities, and research institutes, and providing Vietnamese businesses and startups with a testing environment before deployment.
Shared challenges in disaster response and agriculture are giving Vietnam-Japan UAV cooperation a clearer focus on testing and wider deployment. By combining respective expertise through joint research, training, and practical applications, the two countries are creating more opportunities for technological development and innovation. Baek Vân reporting for Vietnam Today.